Hi guys. So today we are finally here doing the thing that I have promised for such a long time. Like I know it's being postponed for a long time. Finally dyeing my hairs again. This time, guess the color. I'm not sure you guys can guess it. It's blue. Okay, so as you all know that I have already bleached hairs. So yep, we'll be doing some kind of touch up to get the black parts brown, golden again, and then we will be dyeing. And for this great task, I have this person here with me who will be helping me. Please welcome Omema. Clapping! Baksu!
Oh my
Okay, like she's from Tunisia. Can you tell them something about yourself, please?
Hello, I'm Omaima from Tunisia.
And you know, with after meeting her, I realized we have so many words from Arabic in our language. Literally, so many loan words from Arabic. Anyways, so we will be using today the most commonly used bleach here in Korea, Etude House Hot Style Cream Bleach. It's also written in Korean, Hot Style Cream Hair Bleach.
Like Konglisi.
Konglish, there you go. So Konglish is so. So yep, I bought it. It comes with like 3 packs of bleach. Okay, it's like this. In my room, we don't actually have much space to show you things there. So there's this hair treatment thing you have to use after using, and then there's this the bleach thing, number 1, and the hair creams 2, 3, 4, and afterwards this instructions which I have actually read already, no big deal, and napkins and gloves, etc. And this time we would be using Olaplex to save my hairs. Like literally, I'm telling you, I waited for a long time for this thing to arrive. So it's supposed to be a product that fixes the bonds in your hairs while you're dyeing it. So it comes like, it goes with a tube, like to measure something measuring, and it's like this from the inside. It comes in like 3 different packs. Like N1 is step 1, and then there's a step 2 that you do afterwards. So step 1 you mix it in the bleach, and then step 2 is you use it after showering or something. Yep. For the hair color this time, I'm not using the last color. The last time the color used kind of made my hairs a bit dry, so I asked my stylist here in Korea. So they told me that they use this L'Oreal brand of colors in their salons.
No, it's it?
Go. Okay. Okay, the video is like this, okay, mirrored, because I'm using the selfie camera. So it's like Magireal kind of thing. Yeah, MAGI Magireal. So they use this thing in Korea. It comes with this kind of tube. So it's blue color. We'll be showing you how it turns out later. And for the oxidizer, I'll be using the same L'Oreal Oreo cream, okay, this thing, 20 volume developer, and we don't know how it goes. So we are praying.
Hopefully it goes right.
Hopefully, yeah, it goes right. So we are praying, and let's start the mixing thing and all. So okay.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So we are back with a short break.
After mixing,
All
just
these
put the
ingredients. Yep.
As you can see, it's gonna fall.
No, don't follow it. Okay, it's
Okay.
here. We use the ratios like 1:3 and all these things. And I turned myself into a bear, not exactly a bear, a plastic bear. So yep, ears are safe, my clothes are safe. And now we are going to mix it. Please, Mama, so mix it,
Okay.
and you can show them how it looks like in the end.
Soon after.
Okay, guys. So we have mixed it, and now it looks like this kind of cream.
It's bluish, kind of.
Yeah, to cancel the yellow in our hair. So it's done, and now Mama will start parting my hairs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're not even visible. You are more visible. You should be. So let's start it. I know my hairs look crazy. I actually put a little bit of coconut oil in the morning earlier because I read in a few videos like what has gone wrong with me. I'm nervous actually. So the thing is, I've watched in a few videos, and they say like if you put coconut oil, it damages your hair less. So I think it's a good idea to try as much as you can because bleach kills.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just start. Can you hold this?
Sure, definitely. Anything.
Okay,
Sure.
let's start.
Bismillah.
Oh my god.
Okay. Can I hold you? I should hold it. we barely dropped it. And I was like, oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Towards me.
I'm sorry guys if the camera is being blocked because my hairs matter more right now. Oh, looks good.
Leave it.
Okay, so we are doing the same way to all the hairs. We will apply a small layer coating and then we will put the clip.
Should we do that?
Yeah, it's fine.
I don't know.
So we will do the same with the rest of the hairs now.
Probably there's parts that still not like have the reaction of this.
Yeah, because it takes
Still,
time.
yeah, it's still dark.
And then we can see if there's a need. We can put concentrated material next time to that place. Look, you look like crazy, some kind of girl or like something. There was an anime, like no, a cartoon, Mike Lou and Dog. When I was young, there was a girl with this kind of hair. I will put a picture here in the video.
Okay.
And it really looked like that. So guys, I am done, and let's wait for quite some time so that like around 20 minutes. Yep, let's wait for 20 minutes more so we get all these things bleached. Inshallah, everything will be fine. I look so crazy.
Okay.
Did I look crazy? Okay, so see you guys in 20 minutes.
Much later.
Okay guys, so we have done the first step, and as you can see, like, yep, my roots are all bleached now, but still the color from the top, this thing is still a bit different from that. So we are doing a whole bleach session so that this yellowish tinge go out of the shade, go out of the like hairs, and we get a more whiter shade so that blue does not turn into yellow, not to green. Yeah, because if it has a yellow shade, I will dye it blue. It has a chance to go to the green shade, and I'm not using any toner to remove it, so it's better to just dye it, so later it will be better. So yep, we are gonna dye it again. Please,
Yeah.
mama. Hey, you say.
Okay. Can you? Hold
Yeah,
this?
sure. I remember my position as a holding. Okay guys, so it's okay. Okay, it's a tremor of clips. So it's done, and now we are going to wait for another 20 minutes perhaps. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes, and then we will wash it down and go to the final level of dyeing it blue, coloring it blue. So see you in 20 minutes. Till then, let me wear my shower cap.
Yeah.
3:28 a.m.
Ta-da! So it's almost white now. The tint is like all gone. So I feel like now if I wash it, like bleach it one more time, I won't have any more color in my hairs. So this at this stage, I think, yeah, perhaps, yep, it's ready to go blue now. So yep, we are going to use our Next step, the final step. Finally, it has been almost 10 hours now. This lady is doing it for so long. Okay, so L'Oreal Material Mix. It comes with a long set of instructions where it's supposed to be something in English too. Wow, it doesn't even have anything in English. German, Espanol, Italian. Can you speak Italian?
No.
No. French. What is P?
Huh?
What is P? French? Portuguese or what? Para, Prias, Uma. Just
I
leave
don't
it.
know. Anyway.
So just leave it third. Yeah. So it's supposed to be like mixed with developer. We are using the developer that we have been using since all the time. It's our Olaplex that we are using it from part 2 times. And developer, that blue bottle or yep, comes out. So and we are using this developer L'Oreal. I've shown you about before to develop it, and now we will mix it like 1 ratio. I think it says something about that in the paper. How much ratio? 75 ml oxidant cream and like 1/425. Yeah, it's the same. Like half. So it's like almost like this much. Feels like 50-50 of it. See this 50-50. Where's the blue color? What if they've lied to us and it's not blue? We're like, you liars, it's white. And then we put the magic Olaplex. Put Olaplex here, yeah. And
We
now
mix it.
mixing. Start the mixing game till I put the cover on Olaplex. You guys have seen my room, so it's like nothing special here. I'm giving you a room tour already. Right now it's a mess, of course, since we are doing it. The white color looks so pretty, right?
Okay.
I feel like I don't even have any hair feel because it's so white. When you want to do it like this, it goes disappeared. Alhamdulillah, I have a fine hairline. See, it's so good. And Mama, you are such a great. You are talented. You are gifted. See, there's no black shade anymore. It feels like it was never black. Earlier when I started, it was this black and then this orange and then this white. Of course, there's a slight tinge, but of course, that's so less.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
Yep.
Take.
Yep. Oh yeah, take. Yes. And this comb as well again. You're not using the clips again?
No, because it's like we don't need. I was like, maybe later. I'm just gonna start with the roots. Goodness,
Okay, so it's like
wait.
I feel like I don't have hairs or something. Maleficent kind of thing without horns.
Details.
इजे कोई का दाशी तो थोड़ा जल को आया. Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Finally.
so it's yep, we are done. Where's my special cap? Okay. 감사합니다. So now you can see this white color actually transformed into something bluish. So we are going, and I feel like I don't even have ears. So we are gonna put a cap and leave it for at least 45 minutes so it completely absorbs in my hair, and then we will come back, wash and show you the final results. Finally, Kunnaso.
Yeah.
Thank God. Literally. Okay, my hand is dirty. Ta-da. See ya guys in 45 minutes. For you it's just 1 second.
7:59 a.m.
Hi guys, so this is how the end result turned out to be, and I think it's awesome. It feels like I have transformed from Super Saiyan 2 to Super Saiyan Blue, or do you call it? But then again, it looks amazing. I feel like an anime character, and I'm still not used to it actually, but the color is Indeed, awesome. Alhamdulillah. Ciao. So, yep, I washed it like in 45 minutes, and then I used a little bit of Olaplex treatment to make them look better again. And here we are now. One last step is left. I will go to my stylist to get a good hairstyle, and then she will make them look a little bit better by doing a treatment as well. So yeah, this is my experience with L'Oreal Magimix, yeah, blue shade number, I don't know. Shade blue, yep. Magimix has yeah, only one shade, yep. So, and then earlier used Etude bleach. So tell me in the comments how I look like, because this is going to be my new look for some time. Also, these colors are not always permanent, not always, in most, it's always not permanent, so they wash as soon as you take a bath. They go on a little bit lower and lower and lower till they fade away completely. So yep, it's for a part time, but till the time it's here, I'm gonna enjoy it. So I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys next time.